Hello, good afternoon. My name is Andres Cuenca, and I am bachelor student in foreign language with an emphasis on English, and I will share with you my daily routine. Every day, my time and daily routine. My routine is based on the following. I hold a two-time job. My job is to be domicile and a new company in my municipality, La Plata Huila. Called Do We Service with was created. And time of pandemic has a solitude to curfews and avoid crowd and has become very successful here and my municipality reaching the point where another headquarter was created in another municipality near La Plata. My working hours are from 8 in the morning to in the afternoon. So I get up every day at 7 in the morning, where the first thing I do when I wake up is take good for a new day, for food, for my family, and for my health. I hate that, take a bath, and hate breakfast. Usually, I like to hate eggs by arepas or small tamales. For breakfast, with a cold drink like Milo or Chocolate. After breakfast, I help my wife wake up to give the chandeliers, and sometimes we rest for breakfast. I like my job since I can help people with their needs. I take care of paying bills, doing bank transactions, um, doing transportation, service, and many other things. We usually work with restaurant, and I deliver money lunch during the day. I usually have a snack at 10 or 11. I take morning since I have lunch at 2. When alive work in the morning, wife has lunch and eat the dedicate time to my family, which is made up of me and my two together, Paula Andrea, Mia Isabela, and Maria Celeste. I dedicate to her every day to my university student. I am the third semester of a Bachelor of Foreign Languages with an emphasis in English. At 6 in the afternoon, I go back to work between 6 and 9. My meals are handled by what I time when work is very good. I like my job since in my time a very good friendship with everyone and the speed very pleasant times. After leaving for my night shift, I get home and have dinner. After that, I start watching Netflix, a series, or playing a video game. On Tuesday and Saturday, I get up at 5:30 in the morning to go jogging. This I had been doing for 2 weeks since I am doing the process of incorporation into the National Police, where a good physical condition is required. On Sunday, I like to share with my family, so we always take the afternoon to walk, travel, or go to eat. Uh, Although will always company with a delicious ice cream. Also, on Sunday, we have lunch where my father-in-law, Don Mario, and we share a pleasant time with him and we take girl, my eldest, together like to go to the pool a lot soon in always. Try to take her on Sunday, even if it is and her to have a good time, uh, a, a good time and enjoy with the other children before we went every Sunday to mass at 6 o'clock in morning after in the cruise, and it is my network, but due to issue of the pandemic, we had to listen to it on the radio or TV. When I kinda like to play soccer on a synthetic pitch with my friend, uh, there is no sick day since it is already the time that we agree and taste is practically my routine that I apply in my day to day. Thank you very much.